The following demonstration gives step-by-step instructions for installing the Rondo Duo exposed grid ceiling system. A ceiling with a drop of more than 150 mm will require a fully suspended system. Step 1. Select the grid layout to suit the ceiling tile size. Standard module sizes are either 1200 by 600 or 600 by 600. Check the installation area to ensure the walls are square, parallel and plumb. Lay out the ceiling grid from the center of the room to the architect's drawing, or to allow equal cut tile margins at opposing perimeter walls. Step 2. Mark the ceiling height on the walls using a laser, and then fix the perimeter trim with suitable fasteners at a maximum of 600 mm apart. Miter the perimeter trims at the corners and ensure all joints are supported by joiners to provide a secure connection and neater appearance. Step 3. Fix the main T suspension hanger brackets from the supporting structure according to the grid layout and at a maximum span of 1200 mm. Suspension hanger brackets should only be installed using suitable fasteners. Hangers adjacent to the perimeter walls should be no more than 300 mm from the wall, unless otherwise specified. Step 4. Assemble the suspension clips onto the suspension rods, which should be pre-cut to the length of your suspension drop. When using the 247 or 274 suspension hanger brackets, one end of the suspension rod must be bent to a 30-degree angle, forming a hook that will interlock with the suspension bracket. When using the 534 or 547 suspension hanger bracket, the suspension rod is not bent as the rod slides into the spring-loaded securing tabs of the clip. Step 5. Cut the main T to length so that the first pre-punched cross T slot matches the chosen configuration determined in Step 1. Stagger all the joints throughout the ceiling system for best performance and appearance. When using clips 700 and 701, keep suspension points within 5 degrees of vertical. The suspension clip can now be attached to the main T. Main Ts are joined at the end connection tabs and need a slight push to lock into each other. Install the cross Ts into position through the pre-punched slots in the main T. The cross Ts will interlock with a clicking sound. Step 6. Use a laser to check the alignment of the ceiling grid before installing the ceiling tiles. The ceiling can be adjusted simply by squeezing the suspension clip tabs together to slide the clip up or down the suspension rod. Step 7. To stabilize the grid system in large areas, stabilizer clips should be attached to the perimeter trim at every second or third main and cross T. The ends of the main and cross Ts can be secured to the stabilizer clip via a Tek screw. Step 8. The grid system is now ready for light fittings to be installed. These must be supported on the main T only and may require additional suspension points adjacent to fitting. The ceiling tiles and air conditioning grills can now be added. If needed, tile hold-down clips can be used to prevent tiles from lifting in areas where air pressure is higher than normal. The Rondo Duo exposed grid ceiling system should only be installed by a professional tradesperson. For more information, visit the Rondo website www.rondo.com.au or contact your local Rondo representative.